What's in your water is important information for just about everyone, whether you're a renter or homeowner, or have city or well water. Many of us assume our water is clean and safe to drink, but you might not know there's about a 1 in 4 chance your drinking water has unsafe levels of contaminants. The scientific team behind Safe Home Water Quality Tests have simplified the process with at-home kits you can easily do yourself, so you can know exactly what's in your water. Water testing used to require sending samples to a lab, but the Safe Home kits simplify the process so people have the ability to get results quickly on their own. There are different tests that pinpoint a variety of potential contaminants, like bacteria, metals like lead, iron, and zinc, and pesticides. We found the tests to be really user-friendly when we tried them, and if you have any questions about the results, the lab that makes them is happy to help you. The Enviro Test Kits Group is backed by Environmental Laboratories, one of the largest labs in North America. Their shared goal is to make a positive impact on people's lives through science. We think their streamlined approach to water testing is an excellent place to start.